Welcome to this tutorial on how to install WordPress using XAMPP. XAMPP is a local server environment that allows you to run WordPress on your computer. So the first step is for us to download XAMPP from their website. You can access this by going to apachefriends.org. Open the installer and then just follow the instructions. Once you have installed XAMPP, open it up and you will see the XAMPP control panel. Now the next thing to do is to start Apache and MySQL server. So you should click on these two buttons here. Once the servers are running, it is now time to download WordPress. You can download it on their official website and then make sure to download the latest version of WordPress. Once you've downloaded WordPress, extract the files and then move them to the htdocs folder. It is usually located at local disk C, XAMPP, and then htdocs. This is the folder where the XAMPP installation directory is located. So we will be going to extract the files here. For our example, our project name or the website name is WordPress. Okay, by default, we will not change the project name for this tutorial. Now, after extracting the files, it is now time for us to create our database. So this is where we're going to store all the contents of our website. We need to go to localhost/phpMyAdmin for us to create the database. We go to databases, and then for the database name, we will write there WordPress, and then click Create. After creating the database, we are now ready to set up our WordPress website. Open up another tab and then on the address bar, write localhost/WordPress. And then it will automatically redirect you to the setup configuration page of WordPress. So select a country and then click Let's Go. So the next step is for us to provide the database connection details. So our database name is WordPress. The username by default, we will use root. The password by default is empty. And then for the database host and table prefix, just leave that as it is. And then click Submit. And now we are ready to run the WordPress installation. After which, we will provide some information about our website, such as the site title, username, password, and then your email address. And then click Install WordPress. And then we will log into our dashboard page. So just type in your username and your password. And there you go. If you see this page, then you have successfully installed WordPress using XAMPP. Again, to access the WordPress dashboard, just go to localhost/wordpress/wp-login.php and enter username and password that you just created. For you to visit the front end of your website, just hover the website title and then click Visit Site. And that's it for this tutorial. With XAMPP and WordPress, you can develop and test your WordPress website locally before publishing it to the web. Thank you for watching and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials like this one.